Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It is Ace here with Ace's Takes, where we talk about the things that we love to collect in our home, handbags, knives, jewelry, you name it. Today we have an unboxing of a knife that we ordered a year ago. I'm gonna give you my impression, first look, and all the things I love about it and what maybe I don't if that appears. So grab yourself something to drink, sit back and relax while we get into it. I am using, can't flick it, not very well, a Custom Knife Factory Tonto blade, so
Evo 4T.
Evo 4T. Just said that and I totally forgot. Very cool blade. The reason that we're using a Custom Knife Factory knife to open the box is because the knife that we ordered is from Custom Knife Factory. It's a collaboration with Peter Rassenti and Custom Knife Factory. So a year ago, yesterday, April 30th of 2024, my husband put down a deposit of $100 for this knife that we are unboxing today. And then I would say just very recently, we got notification that it was time. Now, in the email when he purchased or put the deposit down, they did say it would be in spring of 2025. So this is right in line with that. Oh my goodness, this is precious.
Where's it from?
Thank you for supporting our small business, and it's a picture of the family.
Where's the knife from?
Where's the knife from?
Where did we buy it from?
We bought it from NC Blade, and so that is just very sweet. I love this. Puts names to the face. I think it's very cool. So inside the box, we have some peanuts. My dad always talks about how we need the styrofoam elephants to eat the styrofoam peanuts. Dad joke, love it. So this knife is a Snafu 4L. It's large. It's a Snafu large. Here's a very cool NC Blade sticker. I like the coloring. It does, it says thank you. There's a card that says, what's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm. LOL. That's hilarious. And then there's some Sour Patch Kids. Be sweet and carry a sharp knife from NC Blade. A little bit of an afternoon snack. Very cool. Pouch. Nice little cushy, pillowy pouch that says CKF knives on it, and then hashtag Custom Knife Factory. A little bit of branding there. Love it. It's nice. It's got some like soft fabric on the inside. It's very, very cushy. And the knife, here we go. Have the card that says CKF. On the back, it says Snafu 2024 knife. The designer is Peter Rassenti, has an M398 blade. The handle is an integral. So here's the thing. Is it integral or integral? Because I know that a lot of people say integral. I'm a math teacher and we do integrals. So it's the same spelling. Which version do you use? So I'm so used to saying integral, but integral titanium and zircuti and CF. Interesting. Carbon fiber. So carbon fiber and zirconium titanium combination for the inlays. Hashtag Snafu knife, hashtag Rassenti knives, hashtag CKF knives. So if you are going to be tagging people, do it. It's got serial number. This is number 190 of April 25, and it's signed. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay. Red cloth. I love some bubble wrap, making it the pop. Okay, I won't pop them all. Wow. This is substantial. Okay, so I don't love an inlay. Personal opinion. I love the integral. I think having the all one piece is very, very cool. So you can see this portion right here. It's not two pieces that are screwed together. It's all one component, which I just think is very neat. You have an inlay on the back, right here. And then you have an inlay on the front, right here. It's pretty thick. It's a big one.
Mama like.
Mama like, you said? I do like it thick. Very nice. It has a frame lock. You can see the jimping right here. There's a fuller right here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to be able to flick it, which is nice because of the back tab. Okay, there we go. That is a sick blade. Love it. The overall blade length is supposed to be 3.92 inches. We have another Peter Rassenti? No? First one? First one in the house. Okay. On the outside right here, it has like a...
Collar.
The pivot collar. The pivot collar. It's very fancy. Pivot collar right here has a nice pattern. You can see in the picture that I put up here. I love like that Damasteel or Damascus look that has that pattern. I just think that's really pretty. For an inlay, it's a nice inlay. But, you know, what are you going to do? Looks like it is a, so there's the frame lock. Tip up carry. Right-handed, does it matter? I've never tried to do anything left-handed, but you can see right here on this side, I'm going to guess that that is, I don't know if that's upside down or not, Peter's side here. So this way, that way. And then on the other side is the Custom Knife Factory side. You can see the logo right there. And then on the, when it's opened, here you can see the blade steel. I love this. This is really, really pretty. I love, so first impressions, I would say it's heavy, it's substantial, it feels very good in the hands, actually doesn't feel good to grip like this. That part right there is kind of skinny, so that hurts if you're gonna really grip and try and get somebody in the face. But overall, it was $100 of deposit, it was $590 total. For the price, I think this is an excellent knife. It is, you know, we have some high-end knives, I would say, and this is up there. I think the construction is very nice. I cannot, you know, with my nails, I'm not going to be able to use the fuller to be able to pop it out, or the pens. The what?
Thumb stud.
The thumb studs. Thumb studs and I don't get along. You need to be able to hold an appropriate way, and that's going to wind up making me throw it across. But it sounds pretty good. But I think it's beautiful. I think that the blade itself is very, very just gnarly. It has a great shape. I was trying to think about what sort of animal it would be. I feel like maybe this would be a rhinoceros, maybe. Just grip it. It feels nice in the hand. It has, if you can see right here, that there's like a place for you to put your ring finger and your middle finger and then your last two fingers. It actually holds very nicely. And then you've got the jumping to where you would, I can hold on to this pretty well, which is nice. So I like it. I think that it's very nice. I don't know that I would carry it just because I have to take the hard line on the inlay. But I think it's going to be a nice welcome addition to our family. What do y'all think? Huh?
Not a boob knife.
It's not a boob knife. It's a little heavy for a boob knife. You'd have to have a really supportive bra on for this to be a really good boob knife, because otherwise your bra's just going to fall over. It's a little too big, and then maybe you'd have some misshapen action going on right there, which is not what you want. Overall, it's almost 9 inches in length, so it's pretty substantial. Cutting edge, I think, is about 3.5 inches. It weighs about 5.4 ounces. Good addition. It was worth the wait. I do think we have one more that we've ordered that's coming. Well done. This, for the price to be $590 for an integral, I think is pretty freaking awesome. So, well done, y'all. Thanks for watching.